Welcome back to Acing AP Bio. This is the last section in Unit 2, Acids and Bases. We talked about solutions a bit in the last video. Recall that a solution is a homogeneous mixture. The solvent is the dissolving agent, and the solute is the substance being dissolved. We can quantify the strength of a solution by measuring the concentration of the solute in the solution. Concentration, or the molarity, is the amount of moles of solute per liters of solution. So, what is a mole? A mole allows us to measure the amount of a substance. 1 mole of any element or substance has 6.022 times 10 to the 23 particles. This is known as Avogadro's number. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole for a substance. 1 mole of carbon is 12.01 grams. Now let's talk about the self-ionization of water. When 2 water molecules combine, they form a hydroxide ion and a hydronium ion. Conventionally, the hydronium ion is written as a proton, or H+. The self-ionization constant for water is 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14. The self-ionization constant for water can be exemplified with this formula. The molar concentration of hydrogen ions times the molar concentration of hydroxide ions in a solution equals the self-ionization constant for water. An acid is a substance that increases the hydrogen ion concentration in solution, like hydrochloric acid. A base increases the hydroxide ion concentration in solution, reducing the hydrogen ion concentration, for example, like sodium hydroxide. When the hydrogen ion concentration is greater than the hydroxide ion concentration in solution, the solution is acidic. When the hydrogen ion concentration is less than the hydroxide ion concentration, the solution is basic. When the hydrogen ion concentration is equal to the hydroxide ion concentration, the solution is neutral. pH measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in solution. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. If acidic, the pH is less than 7. If basic, the pH is greater than 7. If neutral, the pH is 7. Organisms are sensitive to changes in pH. Most organisms have a range of pH between 6 and 8. The pH of our blood is 7.4. An exception is our body's gastric juice in the stomach, which has a pH of 1.5. pH is on a logarithmic scale. Each singular increase in a unit of pH is a 10-fold increase of hydrogen ion concentration. For instance, something with a pH of 2 has 100 times greater hydrogen ion concentration than something with a pH of 4. Lastly, let's talk about buffers. Buffers minimize the changes in pH. They are essential to life because organisms are sensitive to changes in pH. They need to maintain pH homeostasis. Buffers are a combination of proton donors and acceptors. An example of a buffer is the bicarbonate buffer in the human body. That's it for Unit 2, Acids and Bases. In the next lesson, we will move on to Unit 3, Macromolecules. See you then. For more bio content, hit subscribe.